In this video, let's quickly take a look at configuring a no-match route in our React application. Currently, if we try to navigate to a route that is not configured, for example, localhost 3000/user, we don't see the UI below the nav bar. And if we take a look at the console, you can see we have a warning. No routes matched location/user. Now this scenario is not favorable from a user point of view. A user might assume that the app is still loading or there is an error in the /user route. What would be better is if we inform the user that the URL does not match any route in our application. Let's see how to get that done. Back in VS Code, let's begin by creating a new component that should be rendered for URLs that don't match any of the configured routes. So in the components folder, let's create a new file called nomatch.js. Within the file, I'm going to create a simple component that renders the text page not found. We are not really interested in the styling and layout of this component. We just want to focus on understanding how to handle a no-match route. Once we have created the component, we can add a new route in app.js. Route path is going to be equal to asterisk or star, and this has a special meaning in React Router. This route will match only when no other routes do. For the element prop, we're going to specify the no-match component. Make sure to import it at the top. Back in the browser, if we now navigate to /users, we see the page not found text corresponding to the no-match component. And this, if you ask me, is a much better user experience. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.